Are you looking for the best table saws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best table saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the BOSCH 10-in Worksite Table Saw. A little known fact is that the BOSCH 10 inches Worksite Table Saw is a pioneering table saw. BOSCH has been making a version of this saw with very few visible changes for 20 years. It was this saw that took table saws from being small, mainly featureless tools to being a solid, stable, on-site tool with wheels. The fence is outstanding with the smoothest glide along the rails, which we found to be a real pleasure to use. The paddle switch is excellent and the included blade is nice. It has a soft, but not too soft, start that makes the saw comfortable for close quarters use in a garage or job site shop where a million cuts per day need to be made. The stand is solid, and the crank cadence to lower and raise the blade is nice. It rampages through 2x treated lumber with a dust ejection that's awesome. It has the best miter gauge in the bunch, the best push stick storage ever, and an excellent thin stock auxiliary fence. Up next in the 4th place is the SKIL SPT99T18-1 divided by 4-inch portable worm drive table saw. SKIL Saw's 8¼ inch table saw, scaled down from its 10 inches cousin, is a pleasure to use. The 8¼ inch platform cuts the vast majority of things table saws cut. The worm drive motor, which is plush to be sure but also a bit heavy, isn't bad in this smaller platform tool. The saw is compact, easy to move, and is so pleasantly quiet at startup that it's a joy to use, combined with an outstanding fence and fantastic up-front locking mechanism. This saw can move from site to site, around the garage, or to a stationary place for long projects and deliver dependable performance. While the saw did not ship with a stand, the roll cage is bored for a stand and is available. The compact design is also great for storing the saw on a work truck. The 3rd product on our list is the DEWALT Table Saw. DEWALT likely needs no introduction as it is an extremely experienced power tool manufacturer that specializes in professional-grade products. That said, the DEWALT DWE7491RS still manages to surprise in a couple of aspects across the board. For starters, this model comes with a powerful motor that generates 2 horsepower and pushes 15 amps, which is better than average for job site table saws. On top of that, the DEWALT DWE7491RS also spins its blade at 48 RPMs, which makes it great for cutting dense hardwoods, keeping the solid spec train rolling. This portable table saw also boasts a 32.5-inch rip capacity to the right and 22 inches rip capacity to the left, the latter of which tops the list. This table saw also comes with a decent rolling stand that not only makes moving it from job to job easier, but acts as its own stand as well. From a quick glance, it would seem that the DEWALT DWE7491RS job site table saw is easily the best value, even if it is a bit expensive. Unfortunately, these table saws are known for quality control that has become a bit iffy, especially recently, which can make getting a good one a bit of a gamble. Fortunately, the saw comes covered by DEWALT's 3-year limited warranty, which should give you some peace of mind in case you get a rotten apple. Second on our list is the SawStop 10-inch professional cabinet saw. SawStop is somewhat unusual in that it skips the consumer grade and even mid-tier markets altogether to favor professional woodworkers. However, this approach pays off dividends in the performance department as the SawStop PCS31230TGP252 cabinet table saws are excellent for beginners and masters alike. While not the most powerful cabinet table saw on this list, this table saw still packs plenty of power with a motor that generates 3 horsepower and pushes 13 amps. That said, the real prize of the SawStop PCS31230TGP252 is its safety feature that stops the blade within 0.5 milliseconds of coming into contact with skin. While it is not the most powerful, this table saw also requires a bit more patience when feeding the densest hardwood with a blade speed of only 4,000 RPMs. Still, the SawStop PCS31230TGP252 cabinet table saw exceeds expectations in other regards with its blade guard dust extraction that beats most competitors under the table. Speaking of which, this model also enjoys an extremely robust 52 inches rip capacity to the right of the blade, though the rip cut is less spectacular to the left of the blade. The only other potential issue with the SawStop PCS31230TGP252 is its obviously static design that cannot move, but this is a cabinet table saw after all. Finally, the top product on our list is the Goplus Table Saw. Though it may not be a household name yet, Goplus is an up-and-coming budget power tool manufacturer that intends to give the consumer-grade market a run for its money. That said, the Goplus Iron Max benchtop table saw seems to falter a bit in some respects while blowing away the competition in others. For example, this is another table saw employing the benchtop design that suffers from a somewhat underpowered motor that can still push 15 amps. Like many other underpowered benchtop table saws, the Goplus Iron Max benchtop table saw handles dense hardwoods well enough with a blade speed of 5,000 RPMs. Again, like other benchtop table saws, this entry does not provide the best cutting capacities with a maximum rip capacity of only 26, though the cutting depth of 3 is just a hair short. However, if those are the only downfalls of the Goplus Iron Max benchtop table saw, then its inexpensive price might more than make up for it. It also does not hurt that this table saw is both lightweight and compact, making it easy for a hobbyist to find a spot for it in their workshop, though it comes with its own stand. One thing that is good but a bit confusing is that the Goplus Iron Max is the only model reviewed that can cut bevels to either side of the blade. The biggest weakness of this table saw is the fence. Unlike other job site table saws that use rack and pinion mechanisms, the Goplus table saw uses a manual handle to adjust the fence. You will have a hard time aligning the fence for accurate cuts. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.